Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here today with me. I am so excited about today's video because I have some Bath & Body Works goodies. Yes, I do, 2 bags here. And also I have a haul or a review video here to do with you guys today. Rose Forever, New York. They sent this to me. I haven't opened it yet and I am so excited, you guys. I'm like on pins and needles to see my new bouquet. So I have worked with Rose Forever New York 2 times before. They have sent me a red bouquet and a pink bouquet, and I'll include that video, those 2 different videos in the back of this video if you'd like to see it. Love their products. I love the look of having flowers. Like I love flowers. Like roses are actually my favorite flower, and so these are meant to last up to a year, so it's amazing. They're allergy free, and they're real roses, you guys. They're preserved with a special oil, and they're just gorgeous, and they add so much elegance to a space. Now Thanksgiving is coming up, so you'll see the color I chose. I purposely chose this color because I'm hosting Thanksgiving this year, and I was like, this would look so pretty on my dining room table. And they also have up to 60% off site-wide right now, you know, leading up to Black Friday. So a lot of deals going on online. And just really quickly, I do want to talk a little bit more about them because I really think this company is fantastic. So again, I chose the style of this. This is what I chose here. I chose the style. There's so many hat boxes or styles, colors, varieties. Like you could do different counts of roses. You can do a 3-pack of roses. There's even like almost like a glass, not glass, but like a crystal looking case. There's so many options and so many color choices. Okay, so this is what it looks like before I even open it up. There it is, and there's a little, by the way, they started their company, it's based in New York, and they started in 2019, and it has care instructions right here, so there's some like care instructions right there for you, and which is really nice. Oh my gosh, here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a huge box. Let me show you this. I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. So it's plastic wrapped, so it's like really nicely, you know, packaged with care here. Oh my goodness, I love my roses, you guys. Here we go. Here we go. I gotta put my glasses on for this. Oh my gosh. So there it is, and it's like a velvet hat box. It's black. It's so pretty. Here we go, friends. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The nice size. Look at how beautiful the box is on its own. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh, and it says Rose Forever New York right there in the front in gold. Oh my goodness, here we go. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so pretty. You guys, look at those beauties. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. These are so vibrant. Yes, I chose this orange, you guys, because to me it's totally Thanksgiving. It's fall. It's just so beautiful. I love this bouquet. And I always have to feel it. Oh my gosh. It's literally like fresh picked roses. Oh my goodness. There are 36. These are handcrafted. I mean, they are, an artisan puts this together. Like, it is absolutely beautifully done. Oh my word. This is so pretty, and you can always, so what I do is I actually, you can, here's the top, here's the lid right here. Beautiful, like a suede velvet. It's hard to explain. It is definitely like a velvet, yeah, like a velvet. And, but let me show you how it looks. Oh my gosh, you guys. It gives it even more height when you stack it on top of the lid. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is so, it just sits in there so beautifully. Oh, this is so elegant. Oh my goodness. Friends, look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't stop looking at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me make sure the camera is like really showing the detail of these roses. And I mean, I cannot, like I said, wait to show these off. And I love the height, how they just, see how they come up off out of the box like this? It's the perfect display of them. Just so they don't need to be watered, they don't need, you know, they're just like allergen free. They just are beautiful just the way they are, just the way they are. All right, so thank you so much to Rose Forever New York for sending these to me. I am so thrilled to have another bouquet of yours. So thrilled. And I just cannot wait. This is going to be such a gorgeous centerpiece. Oh my gosh. And for photos, oh my gosh. And it's just like so, look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go closer here too. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like putting the top back on the box here. Let me show you this. So you can do it like that, and then the lid just goes right back on if you want to put the lid back on. And there we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, I think, and put these, oh my gosh, I can't, like I said, I cannot stop looking at these. So what if I do this? I'm gonna actually move this beautiful candle holder over for this video, because I want this, you guys to see this. This is like, this is beautiful. Masterpiece, total masterpiece. Okay, you guys, so I was only gonna get like a few pieces because I do have a lot of body care already, but then look at me go, look at me go. Okay, so I ended up getting golden berry mistletoe and the hand cream. Oh my gosh, or the body cream. So this was $17.95, but it was only $5.95, and I'll let you know what my total came to at the end of this haul here. But I love the gold. I have it in the candle. I have it in the pocket back. I really love this, and I've already used it in the hand soap, and my family loved it. So it's just a really nice, sugary, like tree kind of scented body cream, or hand. You know, I keep saying want to say hand cream, but it's a body cream, and I know the difference. It's just for some reason I'm like wanting to say hand cream when I'm talking about this one. But yeah. Anyways, what a great deal. Here's what the back looks like. Love it. Okay, so I did get that. Next up, I got my husband some classic flannel. This is so nice in the body spray. You got your fresh bergamot, patchouli spice, and sweet amber. All over body spray leaves skin feeling fresh and smelling clean. And I love this packaging. This packaging is like so Christmassy. Oh my gosh. And I'm a huge fan of the plaids, like huge fan. So I just think they really, it has like a I want to say like late 80s, 90s vibe to me as well. So it has kind of like a nostalgic look to me. The packaging with like the hunter green and like that flannel is just so pretty, you guys. So I did get that. That was originally $15.95. So good deal on that for $5.95. Then, okay, I didn't even need another whipped body butter in my life, but how could I say no to Vanilla Bean Noel and also to $5.95? So look at this, you guys. I got the new Holiday Traditions Vanilla Bean Noel. I love this packaging. It's so pretty with like the glitter, you know, wrap here. It's so gorgeous. Fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookies, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. 24 hours of intense moisture, whipped, fluffy, and fast absorbing. And the top is so cute too. Again, I have this in the hand soap and everything. I love this one too. And it just feels so good to put on. You know, the whipped body butter feels so, so nice. And I'll show you what it looks like. I haven't even worn it yet, but just a real nice consistency and so, so scrumptious. The scent is so comforting. When I smell this, I'm just like, just so comforting. It really is. I every year have to have Vanilla Bean Noel. Otherwise, it doesn't feel like it's Christmas time for me. Like, it's one of those kind of things that just is like, you know, my mind goes, okay, Vanilla Bean Noel, it really does set off the tone for Christmas. So I love my Vanilla Bean Noels. Okay, next up, again, this one was originally $19.95, my friends. Like, I got some really good deals that day. Next up, I got, of course, to add to it, Vanilla Bean Noel Shower Gel. Oh, hello. I'm so excited to use this one. And this one was originally $15.95. So again, another great deal. The beautiful faceted. And I love, it looks like it's snowing on the label. And here they are, two side by side. Beautiful collection. That green, that Christmas green. And I am so excited to have this. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, so next up we have, I got the, for my husband, I ended up getting him the Manhattan Nightcap deodorant. So this one was originally $12.95. So again, $5.95 is a really, really good deal for that. I feel like this is going to be, the notes are right here. It's going to be black santal, sweet brandy, and cherry wood. Yeah, so nice. And I think that's fabulous. So there is that bag. Okay, next up, we got a whole nother lot here of Bath and Body Works. Okay, so that was just 5 items right there. Okay, next up, I ended up getting the In the Stars Shimmer Body Oil made with coconut oil. So I really want to try this out. Star Flower Sandalwood Musk, Sugar Tangella, White Argo, I can never say that word, Argowood, and Radiant Amber. Absorbs quickly, leaves skin with a kiss of shimmer. Shake well before use. So $18.95 down to $5.95. It is so, so gorgeous. I'm actually going to put a little bit on and let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay, so this is, oh my gosh, I just put it down on the table and like some just like jumped out of the bottle. Okay, so let me just rub it in and see. Yes, it's very kind of oily, almost like, you know, it's very oily actually. And there's actually not, I'm looking at it, maybe it needs to like dry a little bit, but there's really not. Oh, it smells amazing though. I don't see a lot of, not seeing a lot of the shimmer in there. Okay, I'll let it dry, but I don't see anything right now in there. Nothing's really, the glitter's not, and I shaped it, I shook it. Let me try it again. Huh, that's interesting. It's the shimmer body oil, and I don't know, I guess it's just meant to, we'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna have to like, I got this to put it on my legs because I want to see what, you know, I think it would look really nice on my, there, do you guys see that? Every time I put it down, it like flies out of the bottle. I see the glitter, but then when I go to rub it in, it almost like goes away. Okay, I'll just have to play around with that and see if I can figure it out a little bit easier, but a way to use this. But there it is, you guys. Again, this one was, this normal retail value is $18.95. There it is. So I thought, you know, why not get that on the body care sale day, because this is one of those that don't always go on sale, you know, because that sale encompassed anything that basically you can put on your body. So I thought that was a great sale. Even included lip care, as you guys know. It included, you know, little mini perfumes and a lot of other things. So I also chose, oh yeah, I'm so excited, Twisted Peppermint, friends. Have to have this one every year as well. So yeah, I definitely stocked up on my go-to favorites, the holiday traditions. Yes, honey, I'm so excited about that one. That pink is so cute, so cheerful. So this was originally $15.95 and I love it. In fact, I'm burning Twisted Peppermint right now, the candle. Oh my gosh, this is like, so it has a kick to it, that minty kick. And then here's the candle right here. I'm burning it right now, the Storybook Collection. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. And I love that pink wax there. So let me just put it back on here and we'll continue. Okay, now I also chose, oh, what is this? Yes, I got another Twisted Peppermint, friends. Oh, I told you, I really love this. I really love this, and I almost bought another one. It really is so yummy. It's so, that vanilla really comes through there as well. And, you know, for a long time, I kind of was like over it, the champagne toast, and then I like did a switcheroo, and then I love it now again. I don't know what happened, but now I'm like, I have to have it all the time. Champagne toast, yes, this is so pretty. In that new collection with Dark Kiss, Dahlia, and You're the One, this beautiful like quilted pattern is so pretty, and I love it. And so yeah, this is just such a beautiful, oh man, this is so good. It's like grape juice a little bit to me, like effervescent grape juice. I love this champagne toast so much. $16.95 down to $5.95. Then I ended up getting, ooh, what is this? Strawberry Snowflakes by Bath and Body Works. I love that. They don't all say that. Like, that is the first time I think I've ever seen them do that. None of the other ones, they'll say Bath and Body Works, but it never says by Bath and Body Works. It gives it kind of like a really classy tone, you know, like by Bath and Body Works, like designer almost. I love that about that. So this is juicy strawberry, whipped cream, and iced bergamot. Okay, so $15.95 down to $5.95. Oh, so good. I cannot wait to start using this one as well. And there's a little like squirrel. I just realized, like, seriously, with their packaging, there's so many layers of like things to find. There's like a little snow squirrel in there. Okay, so that is so good. I love this one. Next up, I got, to go with it, Strawberry Snowflakes by Bath and Body Works, the Exfoliating Glow Body Scrub. Now this one was a great deal, $18.95 as well with that discount. Juicy strawberry, whipped cream, ice bergamot. This feels so good. The exfoliating body scrubs feel so, so good on, or like when you use them. So now I have like a little collection starting in that. Then I got this for my husband to try the Woodlands, the new Woodlands, which is cool citrus, fresh sage, and Virginia cedar. For me, I pick up a lot of that cedar, and I really like the cedar wood. So, and this packaging is so kind of like Art Nouveau, like I mentioned before. I love it, so Christmassy. So I did end up getting my husband 2 body sprays that day. And that is a great find on those. And then I also got Twisted Peppermint. I love how they did that this year. It cracks me up. Twisted Peppermint. It's so funny. So now I have, here's the little must-have mini little hand cream here. And I just love this pink packaging. It is everything and more. And so like, I'm just like, please give me all the twisted peppermint there is. So cool peppermint, sugared snow, fresh balsam, and vanilla buttercream. So those are the 2. I didn't get the Vanilla Bean Noel because I already have some from last year in the body cream, but I did get the 2 of the holiday traditions like this. And then I also got the Vanilla Bean Noel in the whipped body butter. So I'm like totally set for now of the body care in those scents. But of course, I'll get more. And then that's it. That's my haul, you guys. So these are my new items. Let me show you how much it came to. I saved a lot of money that day. So let's see. So I actually had, I forgot, another 20% off coupon. So it brought my items down from $5.95 down to $4.76 a piece. So that saved me, you guys ready for this? $157.47, making my total with tax $67.29. Not bad, right? I love that. That's a lot. I saved almost $100 because my total discount, well, no, I saved more than that. I don't know why I'm saying that. Yeah, it would have been over, let's see, $200 had I not had, this had not been on sale. So, and I paid $67.29. So, and that's amazing. So anyways, you guys, that is my haul. Oh my gosh, I finally got to show you my Bath & Body Works body care sale day haul. I'm so excited. And I get to show you my beautiful new Rose Forever. My gosh, these roses are so beautiful. I love them. So thank you guys so much again for being here, and thank you again to Rose Forever New York for sending me these. I love them. And I'm gonna go ahead and close this video for now. But if you're new to my channel, friends, I would love if you would subscribe, and my returning family, a huge thank you so much again for always being here. And I will see you all, friends, and I will talk to you all very, very soon, okay? So till next time, take care, and God bless you always. I'll see you soon, friends. Bye for now. Happy shopping. See you soon, friends. Bye.